Let's come over this way a little bit where it's a little more solid. That's a boy. Yes, he says, this is much better. I can move right along here. If it were any other horse, I'd say that Nikki has a death wish because she keeps running in front of him. Not this horse. I might slam into the front of the cart while he stops, but oh goody. They've left all of their portable chutes up here. That'll be scary. Maybe. And I wonder if we will encounter the antelope that live out here. Well, there's hay down in several places I know of. That's what brought us the rain. And every farmer I've talked to said they would trade that early hay for rain any day. Keep going. Yeah, all new places, huh? No, we don't need to play with the dead tire. Dead tube. Lady spurge grows out here. It's poisonous to cattle and horses. Normally there's enough else out here to eat that they leave it alone. What a good boy. Ooh, and there's a big scary thing up here in the fence line. I can't tell exactly what it is. See, there's a feed bag here. He's paying attention to it, but he's not afraid of it. Nope, you can't eat. He says, but it's green, Mom. Walk on. It's a big scary something. A tarp, maybe. See, and the fact that Nikki's trotting right over to it and investigating it helps. Well, somebody somewhere lost a tarp. Walk on. Oh, and we have an obstacle up ahead. Oh, we have a fence we have to go around. I think they're all so exhausted from all the wind we've had that he's ready to take it easy. He says, this is something I know. I'm comfortable with it. And if I had one that was really, really barn sour right now, I would drive them out here and unhitch them and leave them overnight. And then come back and hitch them up and drive them out the next day. Walk on. He said, this is nothing to be scared of. It's just a fence. He does not know that it's not usually here, so it's no big deal for him. And just a finger touch to the reins. Got him headed away from the chute portion instead of toward it. You know about panels and fences, huh? What a good boy. I see an antelope. With luck, it will not encounter our path. We won't encounter its path, whatever. Let's working trot. Lots of wheat hay down. This way. We're going to try and pick up our speed a little bit, try and draw the dogs away from the antelope, make sure they don't see it. In fact, there's a lone antelope out there, may lead me to believe that she calved. Kidded, whatever antelopes do. Keep moving. Pick it up just a little bit. Well, the bottom half of this field, we can't go around the road because there's nowhere to get out without going through the crop. So, pay attention to your feet, son. There you go. Watch the tractor. That's a good idea. And I no longer see the antelope, and all it had to do was lie down and it would vanish. No, we're not going into the field. Amy! Oh my, now that we're not going into the wind, my coat is too warm. That's okay. We'll turn around and go into the wind going home. Amy and Nikki, come back here. Come on. We had a new calf yesterday. Nikki just could hardly stand that she couldn't go out there and be part of it. That was old Alice. Alice is a Charolais Hereford cross. And she would have smashed that dog into smithereens. Let's keep moving here. You're working for me. I'm not working for you. Thank you. Good boy. And more scary things up here. Good boy. Nope, I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way. This is where the scary things are. But you're right, there were tracks there. Good boy.